You're watching PTV.
Skilled trades are highly sought after throughout Canada, particularly in professions such as welding. Novarc Technologies stands out as a pioneer in robotic welding and has the potential to revolutionize productivity in the industry.
Novarc's spool welding robot is the world's first welding cobot designed to automate pipe welding. With the spool welding robot, our customers can increase their productivity up to 12 times while improving the weld quality. Using spool welding robot by the welder operators is a lot easier than doing this work by hand. The welder operators are removed from the weld hazards, and they're going to be monitoring the weld and only making adjustments.
The Novarc team is made up of engineers, software developers, welders, and roboticists with AI automation and robotic specializations, which gives it a real competitive advantage.
With Novarc's Novi autonomy package, which is the second generation of this software, the spool welding robot reaches an autonomy level where the operators can be walking away from the spool welding robot post the initial setup. This further enhances the productivity of welders by allowing them to take on a different task. We're also very excited about taking that intelligence, the perception and cognition, and giving it to other welding robots and cobots that are not doing pipe welding. We call that our NovaI, and we are very excited about that opportunity.
Pitt Metals Plumbing, a BC-based mechanical contractor focused on the industrialized construction revolution, embraced these technologies early on, achieving impressive results.
We've had huge success with these machines in quickly training younger people to use this technology and to be excited about using it because it's cutting edge. Having this technology available to us allows us to scale up our project work very quickly when needed and do significantly amount more welding inches than we've been traditionally been able to do.
Novarc's spool welding robot is being used in 4 different continents across the world, from Australia to North America, Europe, and Asia. These robots have welded more than 400 kilometers of pipe, or equivalent of 40,000 hours of weld.
Novarc Technologies has been recognized as one of the fastest growing companies in the Americas for 2024, according to the annual ranking by the Financial Times.